In this tutorial, I will show you about can activate child route guard. So the name can activate child denotes that why we use this route guard. So can activate child, that means this route guard used for child routing. So before start, I will strongly recommend it. If you didn't watch my previous video can activate route guard, so then please watch my previous tutorial can activate child route guard, then you will get understand about route guard. And before start this, I will open our app routing module.ts file. So here is the app routing module.ts. so here I will show you that I had created a child route. So the child route is when the path is about, then it will open the about component, and inside this about component I create a child route. So the path is details, then I am opening a details component. So this is the child route, and and this child route I created inside this about component. So now I have to guard this route, this child route. So for that I use can activate child route guard. So I will show you the preview. Here is the home component, and now I will go to the about us component, and inside this about us component I will create a child route which I had shown inside this about app routing module.ts. so here is the details, and when I will click this details component, so it's opening a child. So details work. So you can see the URL about, and inside this about page it's details component. So here the child. So I will guard this child. So for that I will open the terminal. So terminal, new terminal, and here I will generate a child route guard. So for that I have to write a command ng for generate and guard, and guard name is child. You can write here any name of this guard, and after that I will press enter. Now here it will be shown two options. So let's see. So you can see it's showing you can activate child and can load. So can activate is the main important which I had shown in previous tutorial. So please watch the tutorial. And now I want to implement can activate child. So simply I will press down key, arrow key from my keyboard, and now to select that I will press space key from my keyboard, and now enter. So it's generated a child can activate child route guard, and the name is child. So I will find it here. So here two files is generated, childguard.ts and childguardspec.ts. So I don't need this file, so I will use this, and I just need childguard.ts. So childguard.ts. So here you can see in this same can activate route guards, like here is the two parameters. So I don't need that, so I will remove this code from here because I don't working on that, and here also I will remove that. And guard always send the boolean value true or false. When it's true, then I can access, and when it's false, then I cannot access. So now it's true, and now I have to implement this guard inside our child route. So I will go to this app route module.ts, and the name of this guard is child guard. So I will go to the app routing module.ts, and here I have to guard this route. This is child route. So for that, and this child route is inside this about component. So for that, here just I have to write can activate child. So you can see it's showing the option can activate child and colon, and after that square bracket, and guard name is child guard, and now comma. So save that, and I told you guard always send the boolean value, so it's true. That means I can access this child guard. So I will open the home component. Now I will go to the about and details. So you can see I can access this child route details, but if I send this value is false, if I want to go about, so I can access about component. And now if I go to the details, so you can see I can't access these details, that means child out, because here I protect this child out by this can activate child out guard. This is so easy. Here again, if I send the value true, so again I can access this child out details work. So it's so easy. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in Angular, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.